Okay, so in the last video we left off with this design showing you welcome back, and you saw where I resized the text boxes so that I could see it a little bit better, and I'd like to talk to you about that for a moment. Up here in the toolbar, you can see where you can zoom in so that you can see your text better without having to make it larger. Now, one of the reasons why I went ahead and made it larger is we're thinking about designing shirts. So when you're thinking about designing a shirt, our mat that comes with our silhouette is a 12 by 12 mat, and most of our vinyl pieces, until we start getting into working with scrap pieces, can be cut in 12 by 12 sections to fit on our mat. And so that's what we're going to work with at first. And when we look at a 12 by 12 section, 12 inches is a little long. If you hold a ruler up to your shirt, it's a little bit big to be putting across the entire shirt, but something about 9 to 10 inches is appropriate for an adult shirt. So you'll see that I have this text at about 9.5 inches. And that 9.5 inches allows us to span across the shirt. And then I've just added the back section of text to make sense with the welcome. So I've just kind of resized it and kind of eyeballed it. Now what you'll notice is that my text isn't necessarily centered here, and I'd like to show you how to do that at this time. What we did in the last video is we grouped the exclamation point to be one unit. Now I'm going to group back and the exclamation point as a unit as well. By doing that, this is going to move together, and that's going to be important for this next step. As I select both lines of text, I can then come up here to the align, and I can align center, and that's going to center align the welcome and back so that you can see what that would look like if you were going to center it on a shirt. Now, where we go next with this is often our customer is going to want to see what this looks like before they say, yeah, I want that shirt. And right now, all we're seeing are the cut lines. And it's very important for you to note that these are cut lines that we're seeing, not the color that's going to print. And we can very easily change the color of what it appears is going to print. So if we wanted to put this on red vinyl, we can cut this out with red vinyl. That's simply one unit, all colored, by using this color option here. So what we've learned in this video is how to zoom in on the design and how to color the design, and what the purpose of this 12 by 12 inch mat really is. So go ahead and go back to your design and color your design, play with the colors, maybe make one a different color than the other, and take a look at what that looks like, and we'll come back and we'll talk about more in the next video.